So I just got back from the Dollarama, and so I was browsing around on YouTube, and I like to watch a lot of different craft videos just for fun and inspiration to get different ideas. And I saw a few people are making spring wreaths right now, and I thought that would be so nice because they're great. You could put them on your door, or you can put them inside. So I went to the Dollarama and I picked up a whole bunch of things. So I'll just, I guess I'll start just by showing you what I got. They didn't have much for wreaths. All I could find was this jute wreath, which is still really pretty, but it's small. So you could see how small it is. So I think it could look nice on a doorway, maybe on the bottom of a door. I'm going to wait till it's finished to see what the scale is, but I have a feeling this might be an indoor wreath. So this I picked up for $4. So I'm going to do a wildflower theme. I'm not going to do anything that's like Eastery. I'm just going to do like kind of like a general spring kind of theme just to add some color. So I picked up a variety of whatever I felt was like the most wildflowerish. And then I also got some eucalyptus. So I kind of tried to choose things that would look like I picked it out of like a meadow. So I got some daisies. I'm not sure if I have enough yet. I didn't pick up any white. I'm thinking now I probably should have, but I can always go back. So I'm just going to make it up as I go. But my plan is I got some of these pretty ferns, and I'm going to put these down first. So I'm just going to get started by cutting the pieces into smaller bits, just so that it's easier to work with. But I see that these just pull apart, so that's great. Oh, I forgot to show you. So here, I'll just show you the bill. Yeah, so I spent around $1.25 for everything, and in total it came to $21. So I have all the flowers done right now. They're very pretty. It's kind of a small bouquet, so I'm hoping that I have enough. So I picked up some floral wire at Walmart. They didn't have any at the Dollarama, but they did have an excellent variety at Walmart. So I got this for $2.97, and it has 270 feet. So that's going to last me quite a while. So I think how I'm going to get started is I'm just going to lay the leaves out and just sort of start to brainstorm. So here you can see that I finished up with the greenery. I'm just going to grab this. So I tried to spread it around evenly, and I tried to work on the outside so that the wreath would look bigger. And so now I'm going to put the flowers out, and hopefully I have enough, or else I'll have to, I'm thinking I don't, but we'll see. So I went back to the dollar store and I picked up some daisies and a whole bunch of foliage because I felt that the wreath was looking a little sparse. So I'm just going to separate these. So I just finished up the last of the wreath. So all I did was I just tucked the wire underneath, and I'm really happy with the results. It's kind of has like a very spring wild look to it. I think it turned out a lot bigger than I was expecting, so I'm really happy with that. So I think I'm going to put this on my front door, and I'm just going to leave it natural like this. I'm not going to add any butterflies or ribbons or anything. And well, thanks for watching, and make sure to like the video and subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.